Baby, it hits so hard.
And I hope I'm not alone. It's the city's gonna break.
Everything means nothing if I can't have you.
Hey guys, good morning. It is 7:13 and I am up for the day. I've been up for a while now, and yeah, so the reason why I am up this early, it's because I am traveling to Florida today and all that stuff. So yeah, but anyways, with that being said, my update, guys, I'll update you guys later. Sure, bye.
My head is spinning. I see you rapping about. I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're sliding on the dance floor. Late nights getting deep like we're on a whole round. Got the worst on.
Hey guys, so update time. It is about 9 o'clock, and yeah, so I've been in the car for the past hour or so, and yeah, so I've been just sitting here, just on my phone, listening to music and all that stuff. So yeah, but anyways, with that being said, I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so update time. It is 11:14, and yeah, so now we are in Alabama, and yeah, so all I've been doing is sleeping and just on my phone and all that stuff. So yeah, but anyways, with that being said, my update, guys, I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so right now we are finally here in Florida. We got here like maybe 10 minutes ago, and yeah, so we just checked in to our room and all that stuff. So yes, now it's gonna hang out, relax, and all that stuff. So with that being said, I'm gonna update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so update time. It is 2:11 in the afternoon, and yeah, so now we are at lunch. We are at this place called Lakes and all that stuff. So yes, now we're just figuring out what we want for lunch and all that stuff. So yeah, so anyways, with that being said, my update, because I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so update time. It is 5:08, and yeah, so change of plans. The hotel room that we were going to stay at was not like, it was weird. So we got a new hotel room and all that stuff, and we just got here and all that stuff. So with that being said, I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so right now I am just on the patio area deck thing, and I'm just looking out into the ocean and all that stuff. So yeah, so I'm just admiring the fresh air and everything. So yeah, but pretty soon I'm going to head inside and all that stuff. So with that being said, my update, guys, I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so right now I am here on the beach with my family and all that stuff. So yeah, so we came down here to swim and all that stuff. So yeah, so we're just gonna hang out, be on the beach, swim a little and all that stuff. So yeah, but anyways, with that being said, that's my update. Guess I'll update you guys later. Chat, bye. Hey guys, so update time. It is about 7:19, 7:20, around there, and we just got back from being on the beach and all that stuff. So yes, now we are figuring out what we want for dinner and all that stuff. So with that being said, I'm gonna update. Guess I'll update you guys later. Chat, bye.
Adidas.
Nice. What else? Because this shirt's starting to smell.
I'm glad we got that on tape.
Oh.
That
Go
was-
Owls.
That one was called Laces Out.
Cool. You know what? I want to put this one on now because this one is really. I like that one.
We'll try it on. Well, is that it?
Hey guys, so update time. It is 8 o'clock, and yeah. So we just ordered dinner. We got pizza and all that stuff. So yeah. So I came to my room to get something, but yeah. But anyways, with that being said, that's my update. Cause I'll update you guys later. Shit, bye. Hey guys, right now I just got done eating dinner, and dinner was so good. So yes, now I am just going to hang out, relax, be my phone, and all that stuff. And then pretty soon I'm going to start getting ready for bed and all that stuff. So yeah. But anyways, with that being said, that's my update. Guess I'll update you guys later. Shit, bye. Hey guys, so I think I'm going to end this vlog right here. So I think that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload, and follow me on all my social medias. They'll be down below, and subscribe to my main channel as well. It'll be down there like always, and comment down below some video ideas that I can do on this channel and also on my main channel. And with that being said, thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you guys next time in the next vlog. Bye guys.